How to change language in AliExpress. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch back to English in AliExpress in just few seconds. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open the AliExpress app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page of AliExpress, you'll see a person icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then again, tap on the setting icon. Inside the setting menu, at the fifth line, you'll see language. Tap on it. A pop-up screen will appear with various language options. Tap on English. The app will refresh and it will be changed into English language. And that's it. Now you are browsing AliExpress in English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button. And also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.